If Grammarly is giving you trouble, whether the extension has stopped underlining, crashed completely, or you're seeing messages like "can't help with this text" or "couldn't generate text," don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Grammarly working again, without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, if the Grammarly browser extension has stopped underlining words or is crashing, start with the easiest fix: a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 together. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using a cached version. In many cases, that alone is enough to bring Grammarly back to normal. If the extension still isn't working after that, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes conflict with the extension and cause it to freeze, stop responding, or fail to load properly. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, restart the browser and test Grammarly again. If it still won't work, remove the extension completely and reinstall it from the official browser store. Sometimes the extension files themselves become corrupted, and reinstalling gives you a fresh start. Once it's reinstalled, sign back in if needed, and check whether the underlining and suggestions are working again. Now let's talk about the other common issue. If Grammarly shows "can't help with this text" or "couldn't generate text," the problem is usually with the content you're trying to process. The text may be formatted in a way Grammarly doesn't like. It may be written in an unsupported language, or it may simply be too long for one request. The fastest fix is to copy the text and paste it into a plain text editor like Notepad first. This removes hidden formatting, extra styles, and weird characters that can confuse the extension. Then copy the plain text version back into Grammarly and try again. If the text is still too long, break it into smaller sections. A good rule is to process it in 1,000-word chunks or less. That usually helps Grammarly analyze the content more reliably and gives you better results. So, to recap, if Grammarly stops underlining or crashes, try Ctrl plus F5 first, then clear cache and cookies, and if needed, reinstall the extension. And if you see "can't help with this text" or "couldn't generate text," paste the content into Notepad, remove formatting, and work in smaller chunks. These simple steps solve most Grammarly issues very quickly. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.